Welcome to One Screen, More Possibility, the 2020 North Africa Intelligent Collaboration Product Launch. The ways in which we communicate are constantly evolving, but how will all these scenarios change in the future? How can we promote digital production and operational innovation? Today, Huawei is releasing a new productivity tool, Idea Hub, alongside our premium intelligent collaboration strategy, giving you a glimpse of the future of intelligent collaboration. Let's begin by welcoming Mr. Colin Hu, the president of Huawei North Africa Cloud AI BG, who will give us some opening remarks.
Hello everyone, I'm Colin Hu, president of the New Cloud and AIBs Group, Huawei North Africa region. And I would like to welcome you to the product launch of Idea Hub, intelligence at your fingertips. As you all know, 2020 has impacted our daily life in every way for everyone in the world. As the pandemic started in China, we have received great support from our African friends. And now the Chinese government and Chinese people are helping Africans to build the emergency hospital, enable the African CDC with special funds, materials, and personnel. More importantly, doctors and scientists are working day and night, racing against the virus to build the safe and effective vaccine. In the extraordinary summit of Africa-China and solidarity against COVID-19 in June, President Xi committed a China-developed vaccine will serve for global public good, and African countries will be the first to benefit. As Huawei, we were proud to provide the cloud-based video conference solution to connect 14 countries' leaders across the region and leaders from World Health Organization and African Union. We have seen as a result of this pandemic an evolution in the way we communicate. Working from home becomes the new model and will go even beyond the pandemic. Some international companies have made their decision to let their employees work from home forever. People need new collaboration tools and maintain their productivity while working remotely. We are witnessing today the dawn of a smart office era where the end-user collaboration experience is becoming a key cornerstone in companies' digital transformation strategy. Collaborating with Huawei Mobile R&D Center, by the way, they are making the best phones in the world, and they have reached the global #1 in market share last quarter, Q2 2020. So collaborating with our mobile R&D team, especially their interface team and the user experience team, we have made this amazing product. As Huawei, we promise to use through our vision to bring digital to every person, home, and organization for a fully connected, intelligent world. Today, we are launching this new productivity tool called Idea Hub, alongside a premium intelligent collaboration strategy, giving you a glimpse of the future of smart working, smart learning, and smart life. It's a perfect combination of technology and art to bring the digital world to every meeting room, including classroom, executive office, and home space. Our distinguished guests, I hope that you will be excited about this incredible solution as much as we are. And with that, I would like to wish you a fruitful day with us today. Stay safe, stay connected, and thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Hu. Now, let's welcome the Vice President of Huawei Intelligent Vision and Collaboration Technical Sales Department, Mr. Pan Yong. Mr. Pan is going to introduce Huawei's new intelligent collaboration strategy and officially release Idea Hub, a new intelligent collaboration product.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to extend my warmest welcome to all customers, partners, and media friends for joining us today at our 2020 Intelligent Cooperation Product Launch. Due to the circumstance, we have to hold this event online. While we hope the epidemic ends as soon as possible, we want to remind you to take good care of yourself and others during this period. 2019 was a challenging year for Huawei. But for every challenge, there is an opportunity. On September 6, 2019, we launched our next generation solution, CloudLink, a solution that runs on homegrown chips and technologies. Today, we are proud to announce that our latest intelligent collaboration enterprise running on Kunpeng and native 4K and inclusive AI are set to lead in the industry. Today's product, which I will introduce later, runs on Kunpeng process and offered industry high performance and user experience. The first point, the new generation MCU transforms conventional port density with a 10-fold increase thanks to the superior computing power of Kunpeng and Ascent chips. The second point, the next generation SMC uses service-based architecture to support access of millions of endpoints. The third, the video conferencing endpoints are integrated and highly versatile. The last point, the Box 300 and 600 series is the industry first group endpoint to support the BT 2020 ultra high density 4K resolution standard. Compared with ordinary 4K, the video is clear and the interactive experience is much better. It's a primary choice for smart health care. The intelligent corporation endpoint meets all office requirements for small, medium, and large-scale enterprises. Demanding environments such as high-end immersive conference, meeting with thousands of participants, and remote office are all supported, meaning you can attend anywhere, anytime, and in any way. 2020 has impacted daily life in almost every country in the world. A recent trend is teleworking and online courses for students, which are online platforms that allow us to continue our normal routines at home. As more and more young people enter the workforce, the organizational culture of equality communication has become increasingly popular. New developments in 5G, cloud, and AI has saturated in our daily life, and we have adopted these technologies to help stay in the office. In this era of smart office, users simply need a reliable internet connection to work remotely. Since the founding of Huawei in the 1980s, our vision has always been bring digital to every person, home, and organization for a full, connected, intelligent world. For office digital transformation, our business scope has evolved from enterprise communication to intelligent cooperation based on device-cloud synergy. Huawei is already household name as a leader in the quality audio and video technologies. Now, to scale new heights, we have built full-stack, intelligent collaboration product developed on the chips, cloud, and AI. Going forward, our goal is to provide universal 4K and AI in full reach of endpoints, as well as the best of breed productivity tool, all with the aim to improve the work and the production efficiency of enterprises. Huawei has different strategies for different customers. The all-scenario smart office needed for enterprise customer is 1 plus 3 plus X. Let's look at this number in detail. 1 refers to a single office, thanks to the cloud-based digital transformation. Huawei cloud-based meeting service is an intelligent collaboration platform provided by Huawei Cloud to help you work online and communicate more easier. 3 refers to 3 types of intelligent collaboration endpoints. These are video conferencing endpoints for conferencing rooms, interactive whiteboard for team collaboration, and intelligent desktops series for personal office. X refers to open collaboration and ecosystem, including software and hardware ecosystems. We will collaborate with ecosystem partners to provide services for enterprise in various industries. Let's further discuss the number 3, which refers to our intelligent collaboration endpoints. Our video conferencing endpoints have ranked number 1 in China for 7 consecutive years.
And we are also the major player in North Africa.
The Team Collaboration Board is a brand new product with a breakthrough design and is the brand and butter of smart office industry. Currently, our intelligent desktop is still under development, but we have plans to launch in the near future. Core technology is fundamental for cutting-edge products. We have 5 advantages. The first one, 26 years experience in premier audio, video, and collaboration technologies. The second one, Kunpeng and Accent chips that provide the industry's most powerful general and AI computing power. The third, full-stack scenario AI solutions. The fourth, cloud-based meeting services as a SaaS and proprietary cloud ecosystem. The last one, comprehensive sets of video conferencing endpoints, interactive whiteboards, mobile phones, tablets, and computers to provide consistent multi-screen interactive action experience. In addition, our long-term investment in R&D and technical accumulation is a catalyst for us to build optimal productivity tools. Here, I'm so glad to tell you that Huawei is bringing something fresh new for smart working.
Thanks for all of our partners and customers in North Africa.
Because of your consistent support, that gives us a power to develop new, original, groundbreaking products. Now, it's the time we have been waiting for. Super interactive whiteboard, quality video conferencing, aesthetic design, they are the basic for our product, earning its place in our prosperous cloud ecosystem and the full scenario AI assistance. Ladies and gentlemen, I will give you Huawei Idea Hub. Now let's watch a video, please. Let me introduce our protagonist, your hardware for smart office today and tomorrow. Now, let's welcome our new product, Idea Hubs. Idea Hubs is a perfect blend of technology and art, helping you build a digital workspace with ultimate experience. With this product, we plan to bring the digital world into every meeting room, executive office, and home space. The Idea Hub series comprises 3 main products: Idea Hub S, Idea Hub Pro, and Idea Hub Enterprise. That's all are available in 65 and 86-inch models. This in-depth digital transformation of conventional office space has begun. Let's see what it looks like with Idea Hubs. For meeting rooms, you can feel the simplicity and beauty of Idea Hub at first glance. In open office areas, Idea Hubs stimulate creativity with ultra-high density resolution, offering cooperation without boundary. For executive office, Idea Hub screen offers a sense of perfection and glass. In home workspace, Idea Hub facilitates online work, learning, and training conventionally and easily, all from the comfort of your home. This is the end of the launching part. Now you know the ins and outs of Idea Hub. Let's watch a quick video and recap the highlights. The following will be more wonderful.
I kinda like
Thank you, Mr. Pan. Now, to go into a little bit more depth and explore the capabilities of Idea Hub, let's turn to Simon Dai, CTO of Huawei Intelligent Vision and Collaboration Technical Sales Department.
Hello, welcome. Next, let me walk you through the design concept and product experience of Idea Hub. With over 26-year experience, we found 3 factors to define an intelligent team collaboration board in today's fast-paced workplace. First, it should feature to replace a common projector and whiteboard used in most office scenarios. Second, it should allow the user to experience professional audio and video effect during the conference on the larger screen. Thirdly, it should be able to bring the rich enterprise apps from the cloud into our daily workflow. Okay, let's take a look at the product. Unlike the traditional conference whiteboard that give you an impression of the code machines, Idea Hub can instill young fashion and leisure into your office experience. The product is designed with a stretched lines of minimum style To create the gentle and the sentimental tones for the product, we select 23 colors from hundreds and finally decide to use the J white and the titanium gray as the colors of Ideal Hub. To give the product tactile appeal, we adhere to design the concept of 300-degree screw-free of the telepresence family to build the Ideal Hub into the piece of the art. The Ideal Hub is equipped with a 4K E-Land touchscreen. Compared with the D-Land panels, it is a 30% thinner. The touchscreen provides 1 millimeter precision for better handwriting experience. When play a video, it makes image to be brighter and smooth. When projecting a PPT, the small word can be seen easily. To achieve that, the Ideal Hub identifies the display content automatically switch to the screen display mode to adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and the sharpness for best video and text display effect. So Camry, it is very important for user experience. And Ideal Hub is equipped with professional 4K video camera with 1,800 TVL clearance. Its sensors use next-generation image technology to reduce the noise and sharpen the image. So Ideal Hub cameras can capture 4K 30 frames per second video with 1,800 TVL clarity, allowing you to even see the human hair in the video clearly. Currently, the most conference panel with consumer-level cameras has decent photographing capability, but there is still much room for improvement. For example, the good products on the market can only record a 4K 10 frames per second video with 1,400 TVL, which is lower than Ideal Hub standard. So now, let's talk about the audio. The Ideal Hub uses an array of the 12 microphones to pick up human voice in a radius of 8 meters using the beamforming technology. So basically, it virtualizes the microphone into the multiple ones, use an algorithm, and point each virtual microphone to the speaker. This can be reduced the noise nearby in a way similar to placing the actual microphone in front of each speaker. In addition, the 12 microphones on the front panel can accurately locate speaker with a precision of half degree. Image two-person set side by side, 8 meters away. The Ideal Hub can distinguish who is speaking and display the speaker in the middle of the screen. In our user survey, the customers often complain about the poor voice quality of conference panels. This is because frequency spectrum of human voice is between 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. A typical conference panel can process only 8,000 Hertz voice below. The voice frequency from 8,000 to 20,000 Hertz are discarded. In contrast, Ideal Hub supported 20,000 Hertz full spectral audio processing. Therefore, the sound of Ideal Hub is crystal clear. So Ideal Hub adapted the dual chip design to provide the powerful computing power for upper layer applications. We compare the hardware spec of Ideal Hub with common conference panel, as shown in this picture here. The Ideal Hub has two CPU. One is 1.5 GHz. Another one is 1.8 GHz, 12 GB memory and 64 GB RAM. It's much higher than industry average. I also want to point out the Huawei Ideal Hub has built-in the native conference capability. Other panels need to be configured with additional OPS computer to hold a video conference. The powerful hardware has laid a solid foundation for good product experience. Now, let's take a look at Ideal Hub software design. So first, let's see the collaboration whiteboard features. So, as you know, in today's smart workplace, it has become the trend to replace projector and whiteboard with the integrated large screen conference panel. However, there are three major pain points: the video smoothness, the projection clarity, and mouse responsiveness. Ideal Hub is optimized to solve all of them. First, it increases the frame rate of wireless projection from the 30 frames per second to 60 frames per second, doubling the frame rate to ensure smooth playback. Secondly, it used the H.265 compression technology to deliver up to 4K resolution. Third, Ideal Hub optimized the mouse operation to reduce the latency and increase the operation accuracy. Let's experience difference between the 60 frames per second and the 30 frames per second projection in the video smoothness. So from the demonstration video here, you see the left part of the screen shows the 60 frames per second projection effect on Ideal Hub. To facilitate interaction with mobile phones, the Ideal Hub has built-in NFC chip, which is enable you to share the content from your phone with one tap. Take out your phone and tap it on the Ideal Hub. Then your phone screen will be projected on the largest screen within the 1 second. Within the built NFC, the Ideal Hub will support more interactions between the Ideal Hub and the mobile phone. Electronic whiteboard is another most frequently used application in smart office. The writing latency is the most important factor that determines the whiteboard user experience. When the writing latency exceeds 40 milliseconds, the lag is obvious. We find that latency is caused by multiple times of invocation in the operating system, and the key to reduce latency is the display driver. So instead of OS optimizations, Ideal Hub directly optimizes the display driver to achieve the 35 millisecond, the ultra-low writing latency, just shown in this picture here. Let's see the demonstration, the handwriting experience in the whiteboard. So from the demonstration, it's very obvious that you can see the writing latency of the Ideal Hub is noticeably lower. In addition to ultra-low writing latency, Ideal Hub also provides intelligent recognition to automatically convert handwritten characters into more eligible text. So let's watch a video to experience the use of Ideal Hub in the local seminars. Now, let's move to the professional telepresence conference features. We have combined our 26-year accumulated audio and video expertise in telepresence conference system together with our cloud and smartphone technology to build a smart office hub products that everybody can afford. The native meeting capability is built in Ideal Hub. You only need to power on the device and enter the activation code before you start a meeting. So our on-premise conference solutions interact with a cloud-based meeting to meet different customer requirements. Ideal Hub can seamlessly collaborate with meeting software on phone or PC, which is to not only provide the convenient meeting feature and functions and the easy projection operations by simply scanning the QR code. With cloud-based meeting services, you can communicate with your customer, supplier, and partners through the video conference with a meeting ID. So let's take a look at on the meeting room setting effect. A traditional conference panels on the left side need to be connected external cameras, microphones, OPS computer, complex device connection, and high integration costs make maintenance very difficult. So Ideal Hub, you can see here, is a highly integrated product, allow the user to keep the meeting room clean and tight. So speak of the AI capability, the Ideal Hub is the first to support acoustic buffer functions. It also supports auto framing, speaker tracking. The product supports H.265 HD video conference, 4K content sharing, as well as SVC multi-streaming conference. So let me explain how the SVC multi-stream feature to improve the user conference experience. During meetings, Ideal Hub supports flexible video layout. You can select the size and drag it into to enlarge the display area. We are now watching the PIP mode with one larger display and several small pans. Ideal Hub also supports the gallery mode with equal-sized pans. About the acoustic buffer mentioned earlier, people often attend a meeting from their home and office, but forget to mute the microphone. A possible consequence is that the noise from backgrounds are often heard in the meeting. With acoustic buffer, the noise nearby can be shared by the two virtual walls. This is achieved through 12 microphone array and beamforming proprietary AI algorithm technology combined. Ideal Hub conforms a virtual area that the sound within the area can be picked up only. So let's watch a video to experience acoustic buffer function.
Now, let's do a test. Right now, I'm in the pickup area of the Ideal Hub. Everyone can clearly hear me, right? Okay, now I'm moving outside and keep talking. When I come back, you can hear me again. It seems like an invisible wall to separate the internal and external sounds. This is Huawei's acoustic backbone.
Very interesting. Our next demo is auto framing. So auto framing can dynamically adjust the image layout based on the number of the participants in the meeting room and automatically display the optimal views. So you can see the demonstration on the big screen here. Speaker tracking is another key feature in most conference scenarios. With the speaker tracking function, the speaker is always in the middle of the screen.
Gloria, today our topic is Huawei's Ideal Hub.
Can you introduce me the function automatic tracking of speakers?
No problem. Let me demo it for you. When I'm speaking, the camera can automatically detect and track me.
Then what if we talk in turn?
If we talk in turn, the screen will display both of us, just like this.
Interesting.
Now, let's watch a video show how the Ideal Hub works in remote video conference scenario. So now, Huawei offers extensive application and service through the open Huawei Cloud ecosystem. The Ideal Hub has built in the most frequently used Office applications, such as Bulletin Board and Whiteboard. In addition, the Ideal Hub integrates Huawei App Gallery with abundant apps that adapt to the larger screen display. Users can directly download and use them. The Bulletin Board is derived from a practice of Huawei internal office system. It can send the image and video to Ideal Hub through the cloud service platform, and is often used for real-time information release, corporate culture promotion, as well as product marketing with the enterprise. From customer reception and the team building activity, we deploy the Ideal Hub Whiteboard by referring to the design concept of Huawei Assistant app of the mobile platform, which is enable the customized activity same flexibly and efficiently. So now, let me show you two examples of open applications. The Ideal Hub can be used to open up the document, which is stored in the USB drive or from the cloud. It is very helpful when sometimes you try to share a document with somebody, but there is no computer available. So another feature here, if you want to record a trading session, you can download the screen recording app from the app gallery to do the job. So now, let's watch a video to see how the open Huawei Cloud ecosystem promote the Ideal Hub excellence. Until now, we may have been see Ideal Hub is more than just a conference panel. With the enterprise applications, it can be widely applied to various industry. Huawei offers two types of the openness capability of the software and the hardware. From the OPS computers, the configurables on the Ideal Hub for extension of the Windows operating system. Secondly, the Open SDK allows the Ideal Hub to open up its hardware capabilities such as professional cameras, microphones arrays, and AI to third-party integration. So let's watch an example how the Ideal Hub works in the different industry. This is a large screen showing here is application in the financial scenario. It can be customer service panel in branch office. And another scenario showing here is the application in smart education. This can be used for the remote classroom. And the third one is application in smart healthcare for information display, for remote diagnostic. So next, let's welcome my colleague. Welcome.
Hello everyone, welcome to our painting class. Today we're going to learn the ins and outs of painting. Now I will call teacher Gary and see what he can do.
Hi, Orange.
Hi Gary. I'm painting some strokes, but it doesn't look like much. Here's my sketch. Gary, please help me finish this painting.
Sure, no problem.
Let's guess what will Gary draw. How about this? I'll give you a flower. And you have to draw something amazing. Deal?
Okay, deal.
Oh, look, now I can see what Gary is painting. It's a young girl. I wonder if Gary is drawing me. It looks like Gary has finished.
It's done. What do you think of it?
Amazing! What a cute picture. Thank you, Gary. Okay, that's all for our painting class. I'm looking forward to seeing you again soon.
Now, let's welcome back Mr. Pan, who is going to share the launch plan for Idea Hub.
I hope you are impressed by the combination of cutting-edge technology with beauty. Next, let's see the strategy for our new product launch. There are 3 products, each available in 2 sizes, perfect for a whole host of scenarios. Idea Hub S and Idea Hub Pro product module are designed for general office and support 1080p and 4K video. To the final model, Idea Hub Enterprise, is designed to fulfill the demand of visual and audio in enterprise offices.
Reservation will start on August 25th for all of you.
Next, I'd like to introduce you the Idea Hub pre-order bonus activity for North Africa. The first 30 Idea Hub booked will get additional 20% discount. Remember, these gifts are only available for the first 30 Idea Hub reservations. If you would like to pre-order Huawei Idea Club after this event, please send your requirement and information to the email address shown on the screen. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to fill in the questionnaire. We will draw 3 lucky viewers from the questionnaire, and these 3 viewers will get a Huawei watch. Before we part, let's take a look at what the world of intelligent collaboration will look like. See you next time.